Here's the key insight: the most successful AI agent implementations don't use complex frameworks. They use simple composable patterns. Anthropic identifies 5 core patterns. First, prompt chaining. Break your task into steps where each LM call feeds the next. Second, routing. Classify your input and send it to the right specialized handler. Third, parallelization. Run subtasks simultaneously and aggregate the results. Fourth, orchestrator-workers. A central LMM breaks down tasks and delegates to worker LMs. And fifth, evaluator-optimizer. One LM generates another critiques in a feedback loop. Now, true autonomous agents use them only when the number of steps can't be predicted upfront, like a self healing Kubernetes agent that detects issues and fixes them on its own. Anthropic's 3 principles for building agents: keep it simple, be transparent about your agent's planning steps, and document your tools like their APIs for the agent's brain. Bottom line: don't over engineer. Start simple, measure performance, and only add complexity when it actually improves outcomes. If you found this useful, like and subscribe for more DevOps and AI agent content. See you in the next one.